Alright, I refuse to eat all these pieces of chicken. He said the whole plate's for me. I will eat the big ass drumsticks, but there is no way I'm touching these little ass wings, man, with no meat on it. Yes, I believe so. I can cook many dishes, most dishes, and have a good taste for cooking. Save one, fight one, ignore one. Vegetarians, vegans, and everybody else. Save everybody else. Fight the vegans. Because there's no way you're forcing me to eat plants. And the thing is, you know, don't even eat cheese, milk, eggs. Like, there's no fun in your life. I seen you not trying to eat a pizza. Don't look cool. I leave the vegetarians alone, man. Each to their own. We'll probably be Le Burger up in Harrow. It's a part of Toro's. When I go there, I can opt into either a steak next door and then come out and get a cheeky burger next door. One thing about this restaurant is they've replicated Big Mac burger from McDonald's, and it's halal as well. Most people will probably eat cake, but I think I'm a chocolate kind of guy. I don't eat chocolate all the time, but when the mood craves and when I'm happy, good chocolate. I like plain chocolate. I like the bubbly chocolate like Aero, Whisper, and those kind of things. Galaxy, Wisp. That's a Whisper. I like Whisper. When I'm sad, I tend to eat anything and everything. Just put food in front of me, I'd probably start eating it. Now, if you're talking without knowing, possibly, because I've had a lot of Chinese takeaway. I'm only playing. Or are you talking dog food? I got dogs and I got dog food there. Accidentally, I might have got some sauce on my hand, not realised, dried up, tasted it later when I bite my nails. But no, I'm not trying the dog food, no. Pizza, burger, or fried chicken. Very hard choice. I'm gonna find out all of them. The pizza will probably be in the bottom because I probably grew up eating the most pizza. Then the fried burger will be next. The fried chicken is just very easy, man. Just pick it up, eat it, put it in dips, change the flavour up. I like fried chicken a lot. Chicken strips, I'm the one. I prefer unhealthy food. Sticking to healthy food for long periods of time can be a bit jarring, can be a bit depressing. But I do need a perfect balance of both, because if I eat too much unhealthy, I could feel less energy, more headaches, more fatigue, all that kind of stuff. Probably be seafood, because I don't like seafood. I disagree with seafood. It would definitely be red hot chili peppers. No, I'm joking. Who's in your face? Probably like a young thug, man. I like that loud food. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Tasting out the chicken. Sure you can hear the crunch. That's what I was talking about. Plenty of meat inside. It's the meaty chicken. Hot and fresh as well.